Want to build a WordPress website without paying for hosting? Whether you're a developer, designer, or just testing themes and plugins, setting up WordPress locally is the way to go. And today I'll show you how to do it using one of the easiest tools out there called Local. Let's get started. Local, previously called Local by Flywheel, is a free app that lets you create WordPress websites on your computer. No internet required, no domain needed. Perfect for testing, debugging, or learning WordPress safely without breaking anything online. First, head over to localwp.com, click that big green download button, choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and follow the install instructions. Local makes WordPress development simple. Instead of dealing with all the technical setup behind the scenes, Local gives you a clean, easy-to-use interface where you just click Add Site and you're ready to go. It automatically installs WordPress for you. No manual downloads or database setup required. Just one click and your local site is live, complete with SSL support. If you're hosting with Flywheel or WP Engine, you can seamlessly push and pull your sites between Local and your live server with just a few clicks. And if you're working on a site you want to show someone before going live, Local lets you generate a live share link. That way anyone can view your local WordPress site right from their browser without you having to publish it online. You can create an account if you do not have one already. Now the fun part, creating your local WordPress site. Click Create a New Site or the plus icon in the bottom left corner. This will give you two options, create a new site or import an existing one. In most cases, you'll want to go with Create a New Site. In the next window, just enter a name for your site and choose the local server environment it will use. Unless you have specific needs, it's best to stick with the default settings. They work perfectly for most users. Here you can customize, for example, select Apache instead of Nginx, select a different PHP version, and so on. Set your WordPress username, password, and email. You'll use these to log in later. Local will now take care of the setup process in the background. It might take a minute as it's setting up everything under the hood, like configuring a local web server and database. Once it's finished, your new site will appear in the list, ready to use. This is now your own mini web server with WordPress, PHP, MySQL, and everything needed to run your site. Click Admin to log into the dashboard using the credentials you set earlier. You're now ready to install themes, try plugins, or build pages, just like a live site. Local also lets you save your sites as blueprints, which you can reuse whenever you're building a similar site in the future. It's a great time saver if you often use the same set of plugins, themes, or settings across multiple projects. Just explore the application and get to know it. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've got WordPress running locally with Local. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WordPress and tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Happy building!